friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about the simple past tense. We will discuss about its components, the structural formulas, examples and the daily life uses of the simple past tense. Okay, so what is the definition of the simple past tense? The simple past tense is used to talk about actions or states that happened in the past and are completed. Okay, in simple past tense, the past tense form, the second form of the verb is used. Okay, the past tense form of the verb is formed by adding ed to the base form of regular verbs, and it has irregular verb forms for irregular verbs. Okay, the grammatical components of the simple past tense include the subject, the past tense form of the verb, and the auxiliary verbs. Subjects like I, we, you, she, he, it, and they are used. The past tense form of the verb is also called the second form of the verb, which is formed by adding ed to the base form of the regular verb, and it has irregular verb forms for irregular verbs. Okay, the auxiliary verbs. The auxiliary verb did is used in the interrogative sentences, and did not or didn't is used in the negative sentences of the simple past tense. Okay, so here we have the structural formulas for making sentences in the simple past tense. Number first is the positive sentence, and the formula is subject plus past tense verb plus object. The second one is the negative sentence, and the formula is the subject plus did not or didn't plus base form of the verb plus object. And the third one is the interrogative sentence, and the formula is did plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object. And the fourth one is the negative question, or we can say the negative interrogative sentence, and the formula is did not plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object. Okay, so let's make sentences in the simple past tense according to the given formulas. Okay, number first is the positive sentence, and you know the formula for the positive sentence in the simple past tense is subject plus past tense verb plus object. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, I studied English yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. They played soccer on the weekend. He finished his work early. Okay, the next one is the negative sentence. And the formula for the negative sentence in the simple past tense is subject plus didn't plus base form of the verb. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, I didn't go to the party. She didn't watch the movie. They didn't visit the museum. He didn't eat breakfast. Okay, the third one is the interrogative sentence. And the formula for the interrogative sentence in the simple past tense is did plus subject plus base form of the verb. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, did you see that movie? Did she go to the concert? Did they finish their project? Did he write a letter? Okay, the fourth and the last one is the negative interrogative sentence, or we can say the negative questions. And the formula for the negative questions in the simple past tense is did not or didn't plus subject plus base form of the verb. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, didn't you study for the test? Didn't she call you last night? Didn't they complete the assignment? Didn't he fix the car? Okay, so this was all about making sentences in the simple past tense. And now let's discuss about the practical or daily life uses of the simple past tense. Okay, so the simple past tense is used for talking about completed actions in the past, for narrating past events, describing past habits or routines, discussing past accomplishments or achievements, recounting recent or specific past events, reporting news or historical events, sharing personal experiences or memories, giving explanations or reasons for past actions, making polite requests or offers in the past, expressing unreal or hypothetical situations in the past. Okay, so let us give examples of the daily life uses of the simple past tense. Number first is talking about completed actions in the past. For example, I watched a movie last night. She finished her homework yesterday. They went on a vacation last summer. Number second is narrating past events. For example, yesterday I woke up early and went for a run. He cooked a delicious dinner for the family. We visited our grandparents during the holidays. Okay, number third is describing past habits or routines. For example, I used to play the piano when I was younger. She always took the bus to work before she got a car. They would go swimming every Sunday. Okay, number fourth is discussing past accomplishments or achievements. For example, I won the prize in the singing competition. He graduated from college with honors. We completed the project before the deadline. Okay, number fifth is recounting recent or specific past events. For example, I just finished reading a great book. She visited a new art exhibition yesterday. They ate a new restaurant last week. Sorry, they ate at a new restaurant last week. Okay, number six, use of the simple past tense is reporting news or historical events. For example, the company announced a new product yesterday. He became the president of the organization in 2010. We learned about the historical events in school. Okay, number seven is sharing personal experiences or memories. For example, I traveled to Europe last year and visited several countries. She met her favorite author at a book singing every event once. They attended a memorable concert a few months ago. Okay, number eight is giving explanations or reason for the past actions. For example, I didn't go to the party because I wasn't feeling well. He couldn't attend the meeting due to a family emergency. We missed the bus, so we had to take a taxi. Okay, number nine is making polite requests or offers in the past. For example, I was wondering if you could help me with my math work. He asked if I would mind picking him up for the airport. They wonder if you could lend them some money. Okay, number 10 is expressing unreal or hypothetical situations in the past. For example, if I won the lottery, I would have bought a big house. She wished she had studied harder for the exam. They would have traveled the world if they had more time and money. Okay, thanks for watching the video and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.